how to sign in to MyCigna provider portal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can log in into your Cigna provider account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and then type in Cigna provider portal. Now, from the search results, you have to head to the first thing on the interface that says Cigna for Healthcare Professional. Click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website. After that, again, you will find various login portal. So from there, according to your account type, you can choose one from there. After that, you will be directly taken into the login prompt. There, you may be asked to enter your user ID or your username. As asked, provide your username or user ID that is associated with your account, and make sure that you type in your correct user account or user ID. After that, you may be asked to enter your password. Type in your correct password, and once you enter the correct login credential, click on sign in button. With that, you will be logged in into your account. In case if you're not able to have your account credential, there you will find a link to recover your account credentials such as your username or password. You can also check for those options where you are trying to log in. And that's it. That's how you sign into Cigna provider portal. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.